Oh, hey! Hi, my name is Natalie and I'm 22 years old and I just moved into my first ever apartment. This is the part 3 of me decorating this place, so enjoy! Hi everybody and welcome to my channel. My name is Natalie if you're new, and this is the episode 3 of moving into this apartment. I haven't posted an update in more than a month and I'm so sorry. I've just been really busy and I didn't have the time to go on with this project, but there are some updates here and there, so I'm gonna give you like a quick updated tour of the apartment just so you know where we are at. There is not that many updates. You can see the pink couch here and the table as I showed you in the last video. However, we added this one chair. However, we really want to add another one right here just so we have like a little, seating circle for everyone. Then I also added some new things to the cupboards. You can see some books here, a flower there, some more jars with food. We got a rice cooker for Christmas, and then my NutriBullet, and then this dryer thing for salads. Then I also added these 4 organizational bins for all of our like electronics and stuff. Then we also added these 2 beautiful pictures on the wall which my grandma gave me. However, the worst part about this apartment is this corner right here because it's just the things that the owners have left here. However, I actually learned that we have like a storage room somewhere in this building with this apartment, so I think I'm gonna go and try to figure out where the storage is, and then I think I'm gonna bring all of that there. The kitchen is the same how it was, however I just added these 2 little mirrors behind the stove. And then the last thing in this room is that I moved this lamp from the bedroom to here because every time I'm cooking during the night there's like no light above the kitchen. Like we only have this main light right here which is kind of far from the kitchen. Okay, then moving to our bedroom, this is how it currently looks. You saw the hanger being empty before, so this is how it looks now with all our clothes. Then this is our table. Nothing really changed, just that my boyfriend brought his 3D printer. This is how the bedroom looks like from the other point of view, and I kind of want to add some pictures either along this wall or there. And then this is how the little hallway area looks like. This is just some trash, so ignore that. But yeah, we added this little key holder for our keys and I feel like it looks so pretty. We don't have any keys on there, but whatever. I just kind of like the look of it. So yeah. Okay, I just went through the whole building to try and find the storage place, and anyway, long story short, I did not find anything. I don't know, I should probably text the owners and ask them where the storage is, but I just don't want to bother them. Also, we don't know each other that much, so I just, my social anxiety just doesn't want to deal with that right now. So I think I'm just gonna take care of this in a different way, and that is that I'm just gonna take all of this and just try to hide as much of the stuff as possible around the apartment. Let's just start hiding, I guess. Almost everything in here, but I did. The only thing that's left is this TV and then these 3 boxes, but honestly I don't really mind these because I'm gonna put like a big flower on top of them to try and hide the TV and the boxes as well. So yeah, the next project that I really want to take care of is this corner. I really want to find a big mirror that I'm going to lean against this corner right here. I think I'm going to go on Facebook Marketplace and I'm going to try to find the cheapest mirror possible because, as I said, I don't know how long we're going to live here and I don't want to splurge on a huge mirror that we're going to get rid of in the next few months. So let's see what they have. Okay, I found 3 potential mirrors and I written to all of the owners, so yeah, we'll see when they respond and I'll go and get them. As I said, I also want to get a big plant for the other room to cover up those big boxes. But I'm going to my mom's house this evening, so I think I'm gonna look... Oh my goodness, he just responded. Anyways, let's go to her house, and I think I'm also gonna look at some pictures that she has there because I want to decorate the walls, as I said. So let's go. Okay, we look crazy. We look like we robbed a house, but as you can see, we have a full tree in the trunk, then a full chair that we got from my grandma, and then like 20 big art pieces. So yay! In our beloved car. In our beloved car, yeah. Hey! Okay, so it's 2 days later and there's been a lot of changes. Well, not that many, but Let me show you. The first thing is that we finally got the second chair for the living room. Can you see that? Oh my goodness. Like, it just looks so beautiful. I cannot. I feel like the modern couch and the modern coffee table goes perfectly with these vintage chairs. I feel like it's the perfect mix of me. The next thing that you can notice is that I brought a tree from my mom's place. The only thing is that I kind of hoped for it to be more fuller so that it would cover the boxes and the TV, which, as you can see, didn't really do the job. However, I brought this tablecloth, which is white, so I think I'm gonna like cover it with it. Oh no! As you can see, it's just a tiny table runner. I cannot. Yeah, this looks terrible. That probably looked better before. Yeah, for now, just imagine that this is all covered with white cloth. And let's just pretend that this mistake has never happened, okay? Okay, I also got this new mirror. I don't know if you remember, it was like one of those ones from the Facebook Marketplace, and this cost me $5. So I was thinking that I'm gonna stick it to the wall. It's also like the perfect measurement. Do you see that? Like, it's 20 centimeters wide, and this is also 20 centimeters wide. Like, am I just not the perfect engineer? I think I am. The only thing is that it doesn't have a hook. However, I brought this double-sided tape. It's like a foamy one. Honestly, let's just try it. I'm just too impatient to think of anything else. Okay, this looks very strange. I know, let's just try it, okay? I think I did it. Oh my goodness, that just made me feel so powerful. I know it looks so pathetic. I just literally stuck a piece of plastic onto the wall, but I'm really proud of myself. I don't know what happened. I think I was just feeling a little bit antisocial, so I didn't really introduce this clip. But anyways, it was a couple days later, and I also got the other mirror from the Facebook Marketplace. It's this super cool standing mirror that also has like hooks to hang your clothes behind it, which I think is super convenient. I saw it at my friend's place and I just could not resist. So yeah, I got it. Oh my goodness! Like, I can finally see myself. Amazing. I recently saw on TikTok that if you water your plants with some coffee residue, it will make them grow faster. No! My monstera is starting to rot. You know what? I'm just gonna pretend I didn't see it. Hi. Oh my goodness. I don't even remember the last time that I talked to you guys in this apartment. My life has just been a huge mess in the past few weeks. It actually wasn't, but like, there was just a lot of things to get done. And I know I say it all the time, but it's true. Anyways, I just got home. I had my first meal of the day. It's 3 p.m. Okay, so just so you know, I'm not lying. To give you an update, there's just no updates, okay? I just did not touch this apartment. It's just still the same. The last thing I think we did was the flowers. I still was super lazy and I didn't get the white cloth to cover the boxes, which honestly, I think I'm just gonna leave it like that because I'm just too lazy. Anyways, the one big change that happened, I mean, it didn't really happen. Nothing happened, that's the problem. The owners still to this day haven't let us know if we can put some pictures up on the walls. I just want to be a good girl. I don't want to pressure them, so I decided that I'm not gonna put any of the pictures up. I still have so many pictures here though, so I have to take them home. But again, I'm too lazy, so now I just have them kind of like in the corners, and it's just kind of like a decor piece. But yeah, I'm gonna get rid of them soon, and instead, I brought some posters! I think I'm gonna leave this wall empty just because I feel like it balances with like the messy wall. See, like this wall is super messy, so I kind of like that this wall is super clean, and I don't think it matters because the couch kind of is like the main thing on this side. So yeah, I think I'm gonna leave it empty, but I really wanna decorate these two walls and then this wall, like right here, because this is super, super empty. really don't know how to do this. So I think I'm just gonna go with the flow and kind of see what will go well where. Oh my god. Anyways, the first part that I'm gonna decorate is this. Because as you know, in the other room, I have these two pictures there, so I want to also put two posters right here. The thing is, I realized I didn't take a clear tape with me. Don't ask me how this happened. So the only tape that I have is this one, which is disgusting, I know, but it's just, it will have to do for now. I'm gonna use these two posters because they are from the same book and I think they will look good, you know, on top of each other. So let's do that. Okay. Whew. So this is the finished product. From afar, I think it looks better than it was. I don't know, guys. I honestly just want to get this off my chest, so we're gonna move on to the hardest part of the room, which is figuring out what I'm gonna put up on these two walls. This is my favorite poster that I own. Whatever, let's just keep building. Okay, that does not look so bad. Guys, I don't know what the hell I'm doing. Wow. I cannot tell if this looks horrible or good. See, the problem is the tape. Like, the tape makes it look terrible. I found a clear tape. It's like this gigantic one, but I'm gonna make it work. I'm gonna cut it up. Okay, I exchanged all the tapes and it looks so much better now. Wow, guys, I feel like it's starting to look really good. I think this side could be done. I think I'm done and I'm really happy. What do you guys think? Wait, let me show you better. I might change it up here and there, but for now I think we did a really good job. I also really like that I can like easily rearrange it because the tapes are so easy. Now let's move on to the last side, which is this lovely side. It's right across from the other wall, as you can see. And this wall is just completely ginormous. It's like the whole bedroom wall. But yeah, I have this mirror, as you can see, so I kind of want to put some posters like right here. Oh wait, should I put these two? You probably don't know this, but my dream place to be living at is New York, and Wojta's kinda too. And I have this map of New York, but then I also have this Prague photo, and it's both like a page from calendars, so we can have our like home city and then our dream city right next to each other. Isn't that cute? Okay, I love that. That looks actually so pretty. So I think we're done. Oh my god, I can't believe this wall is not empty anymore. Like, wow. The only thing I'm thinking is that I should have like put it a bit higher because it's not centered, which kind of bugs my OCD. We're gonna pretend it's centered, okay? Anyways, I think I can finally confidently say that this apartment is finally decorated. It only took 4 months. We have the wall art done, we have the flowers here, like everything is done. The only thing that is missing now are the curtains in this room, which are just gonna be some plain white curtains, so like, you know, just imagine it. And I'm so happy. Also a huge shout out to my boyfriend because he just is amazing and he let me decorate it however I wanted to. But I mean, he's very, very pleased with it. I'm just gonna say that. Like, I just sent him the photos of the wall art and he's very proud of me, so. Anyways, guys, let me know what you think about this place, if you like it or if you don't. But yeah, guys, that is it for me in this video. If you liked it, please make sure to give it a big thumbs up and subscribe. If you have a minute, go check out my Instagram, my TikTok, my Pinterest, and then if you live in Czech Republic, Slovakia, or Poland, don't forget to check out my Vinted. And that is it. I love you so, so much. Thank you for all your support, and definitely come back next week because I'm gonna have a brand new video for you. So, bye!